Hi guys, welcome to our channel
My name is Priyank.
and my name is Fenil.
आज का ये जो ब्लॉग होने वाला है जो कि हमारा एक पेंडिंग ब्लॉग था जहाँ पर मैंने अपना कमिंग आउट स्टोरी बताया था, बट किसका पेंडिंग था? पेंडिंग था कमिंग आउट स्टोरी फेनिल का। सो गाइस, आज हम लोगों ने सोचा है कि why not utilize this time when we are in the car going somewhere, why not फेनिल साथ में बताए about his coming out story.
Yes.
So I'm gonna ask certain questions to him and he has to answer them. So फेनिल, रेडी हो आप इस Q&A के लिए?
हाँ, अब जबकि तुमने मुझे इस गाड़ी के अंदर पकड़ ही लिया है, कहीं जाने का चारा नहीं है, अब तो ये करना पड़ेगा।
देखो, इतने बड़े बड़े सेलेब्स को हमें ऐसे ही पकड़ना पड़ता है।
नहीं मिलता, क्या
चाय नहीं मिलता गाइस, you know. So इतने बड़े बड़े सेलेब्स को हमें पकड़ना पड़ता है and then we have to ask questions from them so that हम लोग अपने लिए एक कंटेंट बना पाएं। So हम स्टार्ट करते हैं गाइस, स्टे ट्यून्ड, और बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है ये ब्लॉग। और एक चीज़ बिफोर वी स्टार्ट दिस ब्लॉग, if you are new to our vlogs, please subscribe it. If you like our vlog, share it with your friends and family. Do let us know in our comment box that what do you want us to make next.
Yes.
So lots of love from Priyank and फेनिल। आज शुरुआत में ही बोल रहे हैं और हम अब शुरू करते हैं। First question to फेनिल would be, फेनिल, तुम्हें क्या लगता है being a part of this LGBT community कितनी बड़ी बात है? I mean, गे होना कितना बड़ा बात है?
ये वाला कोई बड़ी बात है नहीं। First of all, it's just a part of your sexuality, it's just a part of your personality, it's just a minute aspect of your life.
Okay.
And one should not make that something
The whole
as a label
Yeah.
to your existence.
Okay. So ठीक है, गे होना कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, even I agree. एक्सेप्ट करना कितनी बड़ी बात है?
Accept करना बहुत important है। मतलब if you don't accept yourself, if you don't appreciate yourself, then you won't be a positive force to your life and to the people around you.
Okay. So I think ये सिर्फ being apart from LGBT ही नहीं, everyone should accept themselves the way they are, even if they are straight,
Yes.
because हर किसी इंसान में कोई ना कोई insecurity होती है.
Yes.
No one is perfect,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. But then coming to the point, when did you realize that yes, you are a part of this particular community? Because शुरुआत में तो हमें शायद पता भी नहीं होगा कि ये होता क्या है, right? So when did you realize that कि yes, I am a part of this community and something like this exists?
Community I understood when I started going out to parties, to social gathering. I mean,
When you
I
saw
was-
people from the community,
Yes,
that yes,
because
people like them exist.
when you're closeted, when you are very insecure about this, and when you are introverted, you don't really explore and you don't really branch out. And तब समझ में नहीं आता कि कम्युनिटी क्या है, LGBT क्या है। तब वो मेरा स्टेज ऑफ लाइफ आया कि when I felt free and when I felt confident about myself, and then when I started to meet people, go to these events, parties, gatherings, then I felt कि I am part of something larger than myself.
So were you fascinated by the fact that how do people come in the parties? They dress up so well, they meet and greet. What were your idea about this community as a whole?
I was very much impressed with the effort people put into grooming and presenting themselves to the world. I mean, it's Kabile-Tareef. I was blown away. Like,
Okay.
yeah.
I agree to the same. I am totally impressed with the people who comes and party and they make sure that they look very well. They keep themselves so
Yeah.
fit and fine.
I mean, I mean, I don't know about you, but I seriously don't focus much about my appearance and physical.
You don't know much about me? Hello?
No. I don't know about you, but
Oh my God.
we both generally don't tend to groom ourselves that much.
Much, right.
कपड़ों में भी इतना ज्यादा ध्यान देते नहीं
नहीं
है।
देते हैं, और हमें तो हमारे माँ बाप खुद डांटते हैं कि
हाँ,
बेटा
कि कुछ तो ढंग के
कुछ
कपड़े
तो
पहन
ढंग के
लो।
पहन लो, कुछ भी पहन के घूमते रहते हो, नाउ यू आर अ व्लॉगर। खैर, my next question to you is, I know that this is your coming out story, but my next question to you would be कि did you have this idea of having a family, seeing a community through parties, drinking beer, dancing, meeting each other is one part,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
But as a life, if we see life as a whole, so did you have that idea in your mind, or कि मेरा future ऐसा होगा, my future would be like that, I will be living with someone, I will be having a lot of responsibilities, like leading a house, leading a family, so going to party is a different aspect. So what is your take on it?
You know, every gay guy's dream is to have a Prince Charming in their life.
Hello.
And that is the driving force, I think, why people attend parties and meet and greet people. But I also had the same dream, to meet somebody with whom I can settle down, with whom I can start a
मेरी बात हो रही है
family,
guys, मेरी बात हो रही है।
have a house, lead a life equivalent to a heteronormative couple. I mean, that's the dream.
Okay. Okay, coming back to your coming out story. So what age you felt that कि yes, now I think, because क्या होता है, initially you know but you don't know, right? You know what you feel but you don't know what it's called. You know what to say, how to express to others. So at what age you were sure, okay, this is me, this is what I am, and how much afraid you were to the fact that ki this it is so unstable, I'm gonna come out to my family, will I be able to find someone, like, you understand my question,
Yeah.
right?
So, बचपन से I knew that my attraction is towards boys, and when I came across the term homosexuality, पहले, I was like, okay, I am this. This word is defining me. I am gay.
Or you define this word.
Yeah, I mean, oh, this is me. Am I gay? That is the first reaction. I was like, and I didn't know what to make out of it. Obviously, the society around us when we were growing up was not very open-minded about it, and उस टाइम तो काफ़ी डर भी था कि किसी को पता चल गया तो क्या होगा. I mean, स्कूल में बच्चे मजाक उड़ाते थे because of me being feminine and everything, but वो तो ऐसा मजाक ही टाल दिया करता था, and you know, I used to ignore and all, but I was still afraid कि when people actually realize कि जो ये मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं वो actually सच है, तो कैसा रिएक्शन होगा. तो इसलिए I didn't come out for a while. I mean, I came out in my late 20s. That too when घर पे वो शादी वाला conversations were reaching their peak.
Okay. Fenil, I have one question since I know him very well. So तुम्हारे इतने सारे straight friends हैं, and
Yeah.
then they all adore you, they all like you, they never judge you. Don't they feel unsafe, or how is it?
Okay, that's
Because that's a myth, na, around straight people.
Yeah, that's a funny story because I know. I mean, of course, they were very happy with me coming out and sharing this personal, very deep personal thing about myself with them, and I think in a way I opened them up into the possibilities
Okay.
of sexuality, and
I mean, we don't understand that. Open them up in the.
I mean to say कि
you gave that idea to them that
no,
what
I
is.
made them. I think in a way I may be wrong. In a way, I made them realize it's okay to admire another man. It's okay to admire another person of the same sexuality. I mean, a straight man can look at another straight man and say, yeah, he's well dressed, he's well groomed. I mean, I also want to be
Like him.
Present myself like him, and guys do notice that about guys each other. They may not express it very clearly, but they do notice कि हाँ इस टाइप का हेयर स्टाइल रखना चाहिए, इस टाइप की बियर्ड ट्रिम रखनी चाहिए, इस टाइप के कपड़े पहनने चाहिए, उसने काफ़ी अच्छा पहना है. Guys do that and that's quite normal and guys
You normalized it to them, right?
Yeah, I think so. I mean the way they spoke to me कि I mean yeah, I think so. I don't know what to say.
Okay, it's okay. एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन है जो कि मैं फेनिल को पूछना चाहता हूँ. I have heard from a lot of his friends that बहुत सारी
Why are you using
बहुत
air
सारी
quotes?
लड़कियाँ फेनिल पे लाइन मारती थी, फेनिल को प्रपोज करा है, फेनिल और कुछ ऐसी फ्रेंड्स हैं जिन्होंने मुझे भी बताया है कि अगर तुम नहीं होते तो शायद मैं इसके साथ होती. सो व्हाट डू यू वांट टू से ऑन दैट कि तुम्हें कैसा लगता है? ओ माय गॉड, आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ मी दैट मेरे पे तो लड़के लड़कियां दोनों मरते हैं.
I mean हाँ अच्छा लगता है कि जब कोई आके बोलता है कि that I like you. I mean ऐसा मेरे साथ एक दो बार हो चुका है कि girls have come up to me and said Fenil I like you and उस time I was lost for words. उस time ऐसा मतलब मैं क्या कहूँ मुझे समझ में नहीं आता and I used to say thank you so much but and मुझे इतना शर्म आता था कि यार I don't need to break your heart or anything. भाई इतना भी भाव नहीं खाना चाहिए मुझे but
then I remember
I also my reply was कि हाँ let's be friends. I mean I thank you for your appreciation, thank you for your kind words but I would appreciate it if we can be friends. And you know ये मुझे लड़कियों से ज़्यादा लड़के दोस्त वगैरह बताते थे कि हमारी क्लास की लड़कियां यार तेरे बारे में ये सब बोलती रहती है और हमें समझ में नहीं आता. और फिर एक दोस्त बोला कि मैं यहाँ गया था एंड उसने बोला कि हाँ फेनिल मेरा फ्रेंड है. वो तो फेनिल के फ्रेंड हो. तो एंड देन दे आर लाइक व्हाट द हेल.
हम पे तो लाइन नहीं मार रही, जिस पे मारनी ही नहीं है उस पे मार रही है. बट देन आई रिमेम्बर दैट यू टोल्ड मी दैट एक बार किसी लड़की ने प्रपोज किया था, देन यू ओपनड अप टू हर इन दैट चर्च. she asked about you and then you said नहीं यार.
No, I didn't open up about myself. I didn't come out to her. I just said कि
okay, I'm just thank you and all.
Thank you.
Bye. Because you know he knew that some prince charming handsome guy will come in his life.
Right.
And अभी भी लोग मुझसे jealous करते हैं, खास करके लड़कियां कि हमारे पोटेंशियल पति को खा गया. But whatever, जो मेरा है वो मेरा है.
एंड मेरी मम्मी भी एक्चुअली मेरे पेरेंट्स को बहुत सारे शादी के प्रपोजल्स आ चुके हैं एंड हमेशा से आई मीन दे यूज्ड टू फील सो हार्ट ब्रोकन कि उनको सबको मना करना पड़ रहा है बट काफ़ी अच्छे रिश्ते थे. मतलब आई वाज द प्राइम हस्बैंड मटेरियल.
मोस्ट सुटेबल. ठीक है, अब तुम अपनी ज़्यादा तारीफ कर रहे हो.
Sorry.
Okay. So, next question to you is, how difficult do you feel being a part of this community and living in India and leading a life? I mean, how normal, how difficult? Because day-to-day activities, we need a lot of things.
Yeah.
What do you want to say on that?
Yeah, honestly, for day-to-day life, day-to-day activities, I don't think we are any different from a straight couple. But yes, for legal purposes, for documentation purposes, it becomes a hassle. For example, अभी मेरा address change हुआ है. I mean, at what basis can I call our home as my address?
Yeah.
I can just call it as I'm renting the place,
I agree.
right? So that's a challenge.
That's a challenge.
Yeah.
I think we through this video would like to say that, see, even if you accept the fact or don't accept it, but people like us, couple like us exist, and we are basically craving for the basic rights.
Yeah.
I mean, that should be there. देखो, हम किसी का बुरा नहीं कर रहे हैं. We are not going and influencing other people to become like us. You want to live life like, you know, your life the way you want to. We want to live our life the way we want to.
Yeah.
So वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा अजीब लगता है, बट ठीक है यार, मतलब वी आर ग्रेसफुल टू गॉड दैट आवर फैमिली एक्सेप्टेड, आवर फ्रेंड्स एक्सेप्टेड, एंड यू पीपल आर गिविंग अस सो मच लव. So let's see the positive side, but let's hope for the betterment of this.
One second. Why do you always use air quotes?
I don't know. I like
air
it.
quotes is you are using it wrong.
मेरी मर्जी, मेरी choices हैं.
No. So जहाँ तुम basically तुम air quotes वहाँ use कर रहे हो जहाँ तुम emphasis दे रहे हो. But air quotes.
मैं अपनी हर बात पे emphasis देना चाहता हूँ. guys.
ये emphasis वाली चीज़ नहीं है. This is like sarcastically saying.
Okay.
Like we are friends. We are not friends.
We are more than that.
In that place you use air quotes.
Okay, ठीक है. ठीक है फैनल, मेरे को इंग्लिश
Okay, I think this was my coming out story. I don't know what is turning out to be. But I would say during my coming out, my parents were initially confused and they didn't know what to do with this news. Especially, I would want to emphasize this point. My parents are very supportive, and they may not say it, they may not express it, but they have accepted us for what we are and how we are. And it was initially very confusing for them. They didn't know what to do. We even went to a therapist, and that was a very weird chapter in my life, but I think we came out through it. And my parents were really I would say concerned that I had to live my whole life without being truly open to them, and that really touched me. And that was the first experience, that was the first reaction that my mother gave, and I felt really relieved. And slowly then she started learning about homosexuality, LGBT community, and we are a very conservative Christian family, and how she then reconciled herself with religion and with homosexuality, I still don't know, but she is trying and she is managing. And she then told my father, my sister, and
I think now your family is okay.
Totally. They have accepted. They have accepted कि घर पे अब कोई बहू नहीं आएगी.
मैं बहू से कम हूँ क्या? कलेश करवा लो मेरे से.
For any person from our community, without the support of our parents, it's a very hard life. It's a very challenging. It's a struggle.
Yeah, actually, I would like to say that this is something which straight people might be taking for granted, but for us, we owe it to our parents. Because इतना ओपन हम आप लोगों के साथ बात कर पा रहे हैं, इतना ओपन we are able to share it because of the acceptance, the support which we have got from our family. And I would like to say that to all the parents out there, see us, we are no different from any other couple, or if your child is like this, make sure you give all the support and love to them,
because they are also trying to figure out themselves.
And being a child, juggling between studies, emotions, and how do you feel about yourself, and every time thinking that what other people will think about you, it's a lot of mental stress, believe me. So this time पे we were traveling, अभी हम लोग पहुंच गए हैं घर पे. So कंटिन्यू करते हैं बचा हुआ हमारा काम. Okay, फैनल थोड़ा थक गया है, but it's okay, काम तो करना ही पड़ेगा. So next question to you, Fennel, that you have told us about the therapy. What do you think? Such therapies will able to, change people?
No, not at all.
I mean, this should not be a question in the very first place.
I mean, the therapist, that too in such a prestigious hospital.
Okay, so you mean यहाँ पे हमें ये use करना चाहिए sarcastically. Okay,
yes.
I learned a new thing, guys. Sorry, yeah.
So that therapist, that too in a very prestigious hospital, was like कि अच्छा so your son is gay, it can be cured.
Oh my god.
And I was like, now that you have said this statement, you have lost all credibility as a therapist in front of me. I mean, I don't know what people think कि ये mood के हिसाब से you can become straight और ये तो is just a phase. It's not.
Okay,
I'm too tired to now elaborate, but you know what I mean.
I got it surely. So guys, this is one learning that no therapy can change you. If such therapy would have existed,
No therapy can change you. Obviously, therapy के other benefits हैं.
I mean
It
change
can
your
change you for the
sexuality.
better. Yeah.
Change your sexuality.
Yes,
If
you-
that would have been possible, then I would have been therapist and make all the straight guys gay. So that's not possible. Please do not try
yeah.
to.
Yeah, actually, you can say the reverse thing also.
I got
Therapy से कोई straight बंदा gay नहीं हो जाएगा. तो how can you expect therapy से gay बंदा straight हो जाएगा?
Yes. So okay.
Actually, क्या है कि there used to be a practice of electrocution and hormonal injections to
Make you to
Straight.
try to change you as a
Yes,
straight person.
yes.
Okay. So okay, one last question to you, Fenil. That as you have now explained how you came out, how your family has accepted, how do you feel being in a relationship with such a handsome and the most beautiful guy, the most sincere guy in the world?
I feel lucky.
He has elaborated each and every answer, but here he would like to just end it as if he's just
Yes.
lucky.
So for the conclusion,
Mm-hmm.
I hope that आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी and we will continue to make such interesting videos. I really want to make more dance videos and उसके लिए time निकाल के I'll definitely try. And what do you want to say for your last few words?
I would like to say that see why we are making videos is to make people aware about what LGBTQIA plus community is and how a couple lives like how do we live our lives like just as normal as normal heterosexual couple. And I also want to tell that if you are judging someone, if you are judging someone on the basis of their sexuality, please stop doing it. Not even just sexuality, just on on basis of whatever thing you like. If you think someone is poor, or if you think someone is black, someone is this, someone is that, please stop doing it. Time बदलते देर नहीं लगती है guys. So believe in karma, believe in God, stay happy, stay healthy, stay wealthy, do good in your life, do hard work, love us, and we will love you back. Lots of love from Priyank and
Hello.
bye bye, take care, have a nice
Bye.
day.